Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to see about a model which I built using MCP to predict the cost for your health insurance. I just uploaded some of my data manually. You can use any open source platform sources for your data, or you can upload your data to predict your insurance cost based on the plan that you opt for. So here I use Gemini, and the front end says with MCP connected with AI, and the sources that I connected using GB. So I just included everything manually. You can do the same or modify some of the information which is available online or any health insurance that you actually signed up for or taken. So I just gave a prompt. It is a simple application, but you can deploy this using with MCP using any of your cloud platform. So it is simple as that. So the prediction model that I used from Gemini, and you just upload the data frame of your data, just convert that into data frame, or you can have it as in JSON format directly. But I like table format, which is convenient for me. So I just use data frame. So what is next is I just predicted everything that about like future how much it will be for me. So I just gave a sample information. You see here. So let's say like I am around 27, male, 23, one kid, smoker, region it's like same region I just mentioned, which is default one. You can change from your DB, I mean the raw set data set you can change. So I'm going to predict the cost of it. Let's see what we are getting. So basically what it does is it sends the data, I mean the input data to LLM, and MCP actually takes your data and sends to your LLM model, anything it may be, and gets back the result. So the protocol is written to make this communication proper using MCP. I'll show you the code. So this moderate cost is primarily due to your low risk profile as a young, non smoking individual with a healthy BMI. This is great, right? So you just give or feed the information, or you can take out the open source data, anything it may be, and ask an Gemini or any AI model, LLM, to predict the annual cost of it. So this is one, and I'll just show the protocol that I've written for MCP. So this is the input data which I just gave in a JSON format, and yeah, so it takes from it, and everything as a description on its own. I mean, I have to give the description for it. This is the data and what it need to do, and some of prompts which talks to AI, so that we can get the prediction as in. So this is the communication, I mean the protocol that I wrote for MCP, I mean using MCP. So this is one application which is available in my Git repo. You can make use of it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.